Okay, now that the flag is back, that looks so much better. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today we're going to have a little flag time. We really enjoy hanging a U.S. flag out. We're proud of our flag, so we do keep a flag flying out at the end of our driveway on our fence line. We've had one out there for a couple of years. We purchased a really cool no tangle swivel pole. But the problem we ran into just recently is, unfortunately, the top hook on this was made very poorly. It's out of plastic, and as soon as the sun hits it for any period of time, it breaks off and your flag dangles. So we found a solution for this. We still love the pole. The pole's great. It's a 1-inch aluminum pole called a no tangle. So we went on Amazon and we found these little slide-on clips with Allen bolts that will bolt to the pole or actually snug up on the pole. They also have built-in swivels in addition to the swivel that we're going to have here. So I'm not sure how that's going to work. We really don't need the swivel pole, but since we got it, we're going to reuse it. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide one of these guys on here all the way to the top, and they tighten with an Allen wrench. So we're going to see if the bolts in here are actually long enough. It comes with 2 sets of bolts. And this one does look like it's long enough. All right, so we got the first one on here. And what happens is now the flag will swivel around this. It came with hooks that we're going to slide on here to also hook the flag. So now we have a hook on the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide the bottom one on here and set it in here with the flag so that we get the right measurement of how we got a 3x5 flag on Amazon. So we're going to clip the top of the flag in. And then what this is going to do is tell us where this bottom one needs to go. We'll go ahead and put a clip on it also. We'll get rid of this tree so you can actually see what I'm doing. A little hard to do this clip on here, but we're going to get it in. There we go. Now we got it clipped. So what we'll do is we'll pull the flag fairly snug and take our Allen wrench and tighten the bottom lug up. And now we can go down and install this guy. Okay, now that the flag is back, that looks so much better. And notice it flies in the wind, it spins around the pole, and it doesn't get tangled. Gotta love it. All of the parts to include the flag, the pole, and the spinners will be on our Amazon parts list below that you can go and buy on Amazon. We'll have links. It does support the channel. We do make a little bit on it, and we do appreciate your support. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends about it. We have car topics, we have flag topics, we have all kinds of topics, so come on back soon.